Oh, wow, I think we're recording. Oh. Dude, I am following traffic. If you come and get me, I'm gonna be pissed. Why does my phone always get blown up when I ride? Can I just, like, when I'm at home, bored out of my mind, nobody wants to talk to me. When I'm on my bike, everyone knows, wants to talk to me. I'm gonna do it! Hey, 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 yeah. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yeah. Can you get me the box to ship to my baby mama so I can tell her to go fuck herself? Thank you very much. So we're gonna find out if I still know how to really, right? And it's even gonna go one of two ways. I still remember and I'll be successful. Or two, I don't remember and I'll kill myself. So, and if I do it properly, you guys won't see a video. Oh! Now, if I fail, you guys will see the video. You know what I mean? Even if I'm in the parking lot, I'm still don't post wheelie. Well, I don't. Maybe I could post a wheelie. I mean, well, it depends. I don't want to. No, none of that. Alright, first off, I got some bones to pick with you young kids out here nowadays, alright? Alright? Like, y'all young kids be saying some weird shit, like this, woke? What the fuck does that even mean? What does that mean? Because I don't fucking know. And I'd want to know, but I don't like Google, and honestly, I don't think I've ever looked it up, to be honest. I literally could have just looked up and known this whole time instead of just being pissed off about it. But what the fuck does 6'7" mean, bro? Y'all be saying this shit like, just, it's two numbers. We get it. What the fuck is so funny about it? Like, come on. I would never understand, and that grinds my gears. Another thing that grinds my gears, it's basically the same subject. Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah, I saw it. Oh, I saw. Look at that motherfucker right there. Sloop. We're gonna pull over here. Something that grinds my gears, right, is the fact that I'm getting old. And I can't do nothing to stop it. Like, my body's been feeling it for ages. Like, there's like an 80-year-old next to me. Oh, brother. Oh. Shouldn't have ate cheeseburgers, Randy. Fucking. But yeah, like, I'm getting old and shit, right? But like, my body feels it. And I get it, it's life, but I don't. It's not that I'm not worried about growing old or dying. No, not that shit. That's just my body is in pain, my boy. This shit be hurting. Like, how the fuck do these old niggas be out here, 80 to 90 years old, and they be out here stepping? They be out here crip walking. These niggas be out here fucking. Nigga, when I'm 70, 80, 90, you ain't gonna be seeing me fucking. I'm be laying in here with a bucket. I'm gonna need that bucket to piss in for show and shit in, because I'm not getting out of bed, because I'm gonna be bedridden. You know what I mean? Like, oh god, this velo's getting to me right now. Nicotine, we all love our nicotine. Look at you, sloop. What else? You know what grinds my gears? What else grinds my gears? Fucking winter. It's too cold. I can't ride. Fucking. I didn't turn my quick shift off. Fuck it. It's too cold. I can't ride. Fucking, I drive my little fucking stupid prison mobile, and I'm fucking slipping and sliding in the fucking snow. If I want to go on a slip and slide, god damn it, I will. But you cannot force me to be on the road on a slipping slide. That's what winter does. And I don't like that one bit. Oh, another thing that grinds me gears is these damn college kids thinking they own this motherfucking road. Nigga, I own this shit. I own it. Me. This is my road. Because I'm the big dog. Bitch, I'm a dog. Yeah, college kids annoy me. I mean, yeah, that's my fault. I live in a college town. I mean, okay, let's be honest. There's pros to living in a college town, right? Okay, there's two pros. Sports games. You know what I mean? You're close. Woman, in a way. I mean, you know what I mean? No, but these college kids, they act like they own the streets. They walk wherever they please. Yeah, I don't me no likey. But yeah, there's that. Another fucking thing of mine is, okay, here's the thing. If I'm riding my bike, right, like right here, I'm riding it nice, you know, and there's a good flow of traffic in front of me, kind of behind me just a little bit. Don't fucking ask me to do a wheelie when I'm in backed up traffic like this. Just don't do it, because I'm not gonna fucking do it. I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, if I'm on an open road, I'll hit a wheelie. But in backed up traffic like this, I'm not gonna hit a fucking wheelie. I'm not. I'm definitely not gonna hit a fucking wheelie, because, man, you want me to die or kill somebody? You're tripping. Don't ask me to do burnouts either, because, like, when I get started, I can't stop. And I don't like spending money on tires, but I really fucking don't. I really fucking don't like doing that. I'd rather, if I could avoid spending money on tires, I'm going to. Now, there's some instances asking me to rev it. It's cool. Like, I'm fine with it. But, like, you know what I mean? If I'm in downtown and there's helicopter, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna do it because I'm stupid. But don't ask me to do it, because now I'm asking for trouble. Because I've been pulled over for that multiple times. Because, I mean, because she sounds good. What can I say? But, like, I don't know. It's just, if you see me in, like, compacted traffic like this or some shit, and there's people always asking me to do dumb shit. Like, oh, pop a wheelie, yeah. What do you want me to do? Pop it up for not even a second and drop it immediately? Like, I'm not gonna fucking pop up a wheelie right here. Like, if this, like, it's crazy because they always ask with this kind of distance. Like, no, bitch. Hit me up on an open road. Like, I don't like when people sit there and ask me to do things. It's like, this is me, this is my bike. I know I don't have to do it, alright? And I don't do the wheelies for people if I'm on this kind of road. But burnouts, yeah, I stopped doing that shit. I stopped doing that shit. Revs, I could give you revs, honestly. But that's my pet peeve on that itself. Other than that, don't. You know what I mean? Don't fucking ask me. Oh, and don't fucking come up to me. I've had a couple people. Don't come up to me and ask me if you could ride my bike, because you've rode bikes before and you're thinking about getting this bike. You want to say, no, bitch, I'm not stupid. I have a gun. I will shoot you. And I will kill you. I will. Like, you think I'm joking? I'm not. I will kill you. I mean, not if you come up and ask me, but like, because obviously you're just trying to steal the bike, brother. And bro, I hate it. I hate when people come up to me and just want to talk for me for hours about their motorcycle and how they ride. And I'm like, nigga, I don't care. I'm out here enjoying my time. Let me ride. I don't care that you fucking have a Honda Grom. I don't care that you have an S1000. Like, cool, dude. Cool beanzos. Cool beanskis, dude. I don't care. Now, let me ride in peace. I want to get over, but this piece of shit won't fucking get out of my blind spot. Like, I don't know, man. I don't. And also, a huge pet peeve of mine is I hate group rides. Now, let me go into that more. Right? By group rides, I mean bikes of more than 4 people. I think 4 people is a good fucking number. But like 5, 6, 7, 8, no. Don't ask me to go on a fucking group ride. Because I'm not going to go. Because that shit's fucking... That's how people fucking crash and die. Because first, I don't want to be chilling in a group ride and have somebody not paying attention to me fucking hit me. Like this. I'm glad I stayed in the back because something fell off, and I don't fuck a group ride. Emerson said no. Yeah, maybe I can do. I'm not fucking stopping for this shit. Nah, I might do it like if it's like people I know and I've rode with and I can trust. But if I don't never met these motherfuckers, no, it ain't happening. I just hate when people find me randomly like, oh yeah, let's go on a ride sometime. You know what I mean? No. I don't know how you ride. Yeah, I ride stupid, but I'm not trying to die. And another thing, if you're fucking drunk, woman, because always woman, if you, oh, girl, first off, if you run up to me and kill switch me, I will kill your ass. I hate that shit. Another fucking thing, drunk college woman, stop and do not ask to ride my bike. Don't ask if I can take you on a ride if you're drunk. No, I will not. I will refuse. Because now I'm putting my life in danger and your life in danger. And you might be stupid, and I'm just not dealing with that. It's no. Just sober up and then hit me up. But I mean, yeah. I mean, I do like when people see me on the streets and they want to have a conversation. That's cool. Like, well, like pop a joke or something. Not like a full conversation, just pop a joke or say nice bike. Yeah, everybody likes that. But like, but like I said, I mean, if you know, if the 2 people who watch my videos happen to see me, yeah, cool. Yeah, you can hit me up, fucking come talk to me, but I don't like any of that shit. I honestly, that shit grinds my fucking gears. I know I had more to say and I don't remember. Oh, fuck, here's a good one. When people come up, when people see that you ride bikes and they start talking to you about bikes, and I was like, oh, I know somebody has died, or yada yada, this and this and that. Like, bitch, we all know somebody that's died. I don't want to hear about that shit. I'm trying to have a good day, and you're telling me, oh yeah, he was just out for a cruise, you know, doing his thing. Boom, get hit by a car. Yeah, it's how a lot of motorcyclists die. It's how a lot of It's how a lot of motorcyclists die. Yeah, fuck it, we sticking with it. Like, I don't want to hear that shit. Like, I get it. Yeah, people die, dude. This is a very dangerous hobby. activity, sport, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I understand that. You don't think I assumed that fucking risk when I got the bike? Like, what? Stop talking to me about people that have died. I know. I don't want to hear about your dead fucking brother, your dead fucking sister, your dead fucking uncle, your dead fake friend. I don't want to hear that shit. And I'm just being honest. I'm just being real. Like, yeah, oh yeah, it's sad, but like, I'm being fucking honest. I don't want to hear that shit. It's not like it's a Debbie Downer. I mean, it is a little bit, but like, it's just repetitive and annoying. It's like, oh yeah, oh, he crashed his bike, oh yeah. I'm like, okay, I get it. Yeah, it's dangerous. I know. The fuck you mean? Yeah, honestly, I'm just here ranting because I'm bored and I wanted to make a video and I don't know what to talk about. So there's that for you. Oh, na 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 na.